Another fundamental topic for the CCNA exam for network fundamentals is going to be access points. So this video, I'm just going to give you, it'll be a quick one, just the role of an access point in wireless networking and different types of access points. And also just stick around to the end. I'll give you like a couple other features of these access points that might be worth being aware of for the exam. And if not, maybe just good for just general knowledge or just a quick refresher on it. Welcome back, y'all. I appreciate y'all tapping into the channel. I'm the host and creator, if you don't know, Network Ninja. And again, I'm just trying to build up skills with everybody in this IT game and trying to get a community established with IT pros that are all just trying to train consistently and frequently like I am on getting their skills leveled up, and hopefully we can all experience personal and professional growth together. Alright, so an access point or AP, if you don't know by now, is just a wireless networking device that allows devices to connect to a wired network using Wi-Fi technology. So the access point basically is just acting as a bridge between the wireless devices and the wired network, because there's a need for that device some needs to convert those radio waves that are being emitted from cell phones or whatever wireless device. They need to convert it back into electrical signals and get it on the wired network. There's going to be different types of access points that I'm sure Cisco is going to want you to be clear on and that you're going to have to study up on. But this is just the different types of access points. The first one we'll talk about is just standalone access points. This is your very generic one, basic, Linksys. All of these you're probably familiar with if you're not, your home Wi-Fi routers and stuff. That's what a standalone access point is, made for small to medium-sized networks, not really enterprise level capabilities, just really basic capabilities for Wi-Fi or wireless networks. And these devices, again, they're just independent and they can be configured and managed separately as well. So, but that's not really scalable, again, because you don't want to sit there if you start getting thousands of APs and you only have this certain type of standalone access points. Our next type, which are controller-based access points. These are ones that if you've been studying or if you're working in the networking, wireless networking field, or just in networking in general or IT, you're more familiar with these kind of controller-based access points. If you're supporting the larger enterprise level networks, like definitely 100 plus access points, I would consider something like that to start being on the scale of a enterprise level business. When you're trying to manage and control that many access points, this is where the controller-based access points, this type works the best. These access points connect to a central wireless controller, which is used to manage and configure all of them. Makes it very easy for supporting that wireless network with that amount of APs. And the last type is going to be cloud-based access points. So these are going to be probably your Meraki's and stuff that you're able to manage through a dashboard in the cloud. These access points are managed and configured through the cloud-based management platform, like a Meraki management platform, and they allow for remote management and easier scalability for, you know, deploying templates, and all different kind of features can be integrated into that kind of cloud-based access point and providing support for it. Alright, and that pretty much wraps up the different types of access points. Let me just give you 3 features here that I think that it'll be worth just knowing about, maybe looking into a little bit more. So just in addition, you just want to know that different types of access points, there's also going to be just a variety of features that these access points can provide. So just one of them, multiple SSIDs. These enterprise level access points allow you to have multiple wireless networks to be broadcasted from the same access point. Then you got quality of service. They're going to allow that to prioritize certain traffic certain types of network traffic. Just like on a wired network, these APs are able to implement QoS policies on certain types of network traffic, and then power over Ethernet. So you'll run into those that are able to be powered up like that, eliminating the need for an additional power source. So that's the whole power over Ethernet thing. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows about access points because that's probably the most familiar networking device. Because again, that's something that's in your home that if you haven't experimented with, it's something that you can, or you can go just buy your own Linksys router and experiment with it, and look at the different features that comes with. They're definitely an essential component in wireless network, and the main thing to remember is that they're providing that bridge between wireless and the wired networks. Those two different, the wireless devices and the wired network, those two different kind of worlds. That's the bridge between them. That borders the bridge of both of their physical properties. And they come in various types and they have various features. Understanding all those different types of access points in depth and the features that are commonly found on them is important for studying the CCNA exam. But again, this playlist is just for anybody just trying to get their foot in the door, just trying to get a basic understanding of what's going to be on the CCNA exam. It's not meant to be the specific technical resource for that. I recommend CBT Nuggets or something like that if you're trying to get that. But I hope this helps somebody, was informative somebody. I'd like to thank y'all for watching the video. And hopefully if y'all like it, please comment, subscribe, you already know, share the video, and click on the next one. I'll see y'all ninjas there. I'll let you boy. Yeah.